What is going on, guys? I am back with another video. So in this video I want to give my first impressions of setting up a Microsoft Azure account. So I've used AWS for a few years and I've barely used Google Cloud Services, so I think it'd be interesting to kind of get a comparison of what Microsoft has to offer for cloud services. And it's kind of cool, you know, they're all on this like free train where they give you free services, which is pretty interesting. So it looks like Azure gives you 12 months of free services, $200 credit for the first 30 days, and then it's always free. So these are the services: so Linux virtual machines, compute, 750 hours, Windows virtual machines, 750 hours. So these are like an AWS EC2, I'd imagine. Blob storage, file storage, it's like S3. So they got SQL and then bandwidth. So this is like CloudFront, I guess. Okay, that's cool. I believe 750 hours, that's like for 1 month, and that's what you get for free. So you get one Linux and one Windows, or maybe it's like either or, but I mean, they gotta rep Windows, of course, right? They're Microsoft. So which products are always free? Functions, app services, event grid, face API. That's interesting. Kubernetes service. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start for free. Probably gonna skip ahead here to the end of the sign up process, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I just finished the sign up process and now I'm logged into the dashboard, and it was pretty straightforward, you know, like any sign up process for a web app. You do have to enter your credit card though, but you still get the first 30 days for free, and then after that you get the 12 services for free. But I don't think they offer as much as Amazon does or Google does, because they really only have 1 month where you have access to everything for free, and then they really clamp down on it. But they still offer it for free to try out. So what I'm kind of interested in is, yeah, let's check out the virtual machines. That would be pretty interesting. I haven't watched any tutorials on this or anything, but I'm just going to see if I could just go for it and do it. Create virtual machine. Free trial. Create new. Test resource group. Okay. Test VM. Cool. How many regions do they have? Interesting. Yeah, we don't need redundancy. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. So they like have like backup systems already kind of handled. Wait, cool. So what kind of? It looks like they offer just about everything. The same as yep, like Ubuntu server, CentOS, Windows server. About the same. Maybe a little bit more Windows options than AWS has, but that's about it. Yeah, actually, I don't know if I've ever seen Windows Server 2019 data center. Not sure what that is. 8 gigabytes of memory. Okay, this is interesting. So, not really sure. So it's got 2 vCPUs. It's kind of interesting. The cost per month is like loading. It's taking a while. Oh my goodness. They default to one that costs $70 a month. I don't like that. I don't like that, Microsoft. Dude, $3 a month for half a gig. Damn. I think that's cheaper than Amazon. That's pretty cool. You know, let's just go with the default. I imagine they're okay. Validation failed. Oh, management. Okay. Diagnostic storage account. I'm not sure what this is. At least it told me what the issue was. Okay, that was way more complicated than it needed to be. Kind of strict guidelines in the help info dialogues for getting the diagnostic name. I guess it had to be a unique name because it didn't give me. It just had a red exclamation mark. It didn't tell me what was wrong. They should fix it. I do like that they break it down per hour here, and that's cool to that they're upfront, that they're like, hey, it's using your subscription credit, so you're not like paying for it. And also, like, I'm just doing this as a test, so I'm probably gonna shut it down right after. So create. So this is similar to AWS EC2, where it had like the 7 different kind of pages. I still like Google's the best, actually, because it's like one simple form. and you do everything on that one form. You don't have to go back and forth between pages like Azure and AWS does. Um, cool. So my deployment is underway. I do like how kind of similar all the different cloud services are. Like they basically have all the same stuff. Like they have virtual machines that are basically EC2, SQL databases. I mean, it's all the same stuff, right? And then like storage. I saw storage somewhere. Well, the storage accounts. I guess that's the same thing. But I mean, it's all the same stuff, right? It's a web app. It doesn't really matter. You know, it's gonna be the same kind of server architecture, pretty much. Um, cool. So I guess it's underway. I guess I'll see how long that takes. Does it auto refresh, or do I need to refresh it? I guess it might auto refresh. Whoa, very detailed. I actually do kind of like this layout though. Okay, so it looks like to SSH you just got to do it the traditional way. It doesn't have like a one-click button, but that's okay. That's fine. It's pretty standard. Yeah. Anyway, so it took like a couple minutes to set up. Pretty similar to like other platforms. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video. Maybe I'll do more kind of in-depth comparisons with like AWS and Google Cloud. And yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.